What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. So today we are going to try and surprise Timmy with this little gift appreciation thing that I had gotten him. I've been trying to give him this gift for a week now. Also, I'm doing this because Timmy is a super good friend to me, and he's been helping me out throughout this whole time of me starting the channel and me just building my cars. So he's taught me a lot, and he's just been a really good friend. Anytime that I needed him or any advice that I've had, he's always there for me. So I kind of want to do something, just something nice for him. I know that I could do a little bit more, but I'm gonna save those times for a little bit later. But for now, I got him these canvases that I printed his car on. These are the canvases. And then we got the tall one. This one's for kind of have it sitting on your nightstand or something. This one you kind of hang up. Okay, so kind of the same photo, and that was a total mix-up. But you know what? I didn't have to end up paying for that one, and I just paid for this one, so a win-win. I just kind of wanted to do it and give it to him in a cool little funny way. So my idea was basically it's gonna be one big box and then a bunch of small ones in it, and then he's gonna have to open the very last one to get the canvases. But I want it to be a big box, so he thinks it's something crazy big at first. But so hopefully we get a good reaction out of him. Tim, if you're watching this, dude, thank you so much, bro. I appreciate all your help, man, and I can't wait for all these next adventures that we get to have with the Lexus and INFINITI and all these other cars that we're gonna get a hold of. So let's put this together real quick, and then we'll give him a call and make sure he's at the shop. So bear with me. Alright, so we are all packed up, about to head out. Now let's give Timmy a call, and hopefully he's at the shop. Come on.
Yellow.
Yo.
Yo.
What's up, dude? I'm about to head your way. You at the shop or what?
Yes, sir. I'll be here.
Hey, alright, I'll see you right now, man.
Alright, later.
Alright, late. Alright, dope. Now let's mosey on over there. I'm hoping to get a funny reaction from him, for real. See you guys in a bit. Alright, so I'm at AUTOHAUS, as you guys can see. And I was kind of sitting in my car. I haven't gotten out yet because I'm trying to figure out a smooth way to to have Timmy find out that he has a package. I was gonna ask some of the cats here. I'm hey, you want to help me out, surprise his cat, say he got package that's here that he needs to open up, or something came for him, whatever. But I don't know, I'm thinking I just might be hey dude, so I don't know if you sent something to my house, but a package came to my house for you, so brought it over to you. That's why I've been trying to see you, yada yada yada, etc. You get the idea, right? So let's just kind of go in, say what's up to everybody, and see the vibes, and then kind of see what we can kind of do. Damn.
Where's that?
Damn. Oh my goodness. Oh. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Damn, this shit makes me wet. You can kind of see in there a bit. But anyways, we'll see that right now. Say what's up to everybody. All right, so like I said, it didn't really go so well. Cause we're all kind of like talking about cars when I like walked in, and then like Timmy ended up walking in, so now I gotta just, you know, do what I was talking about in the car and kind of bring in and be like, hey bro, you know, this well, you'll see right now, so let's take it over. Hey, this just showed up on my crib, bro. It has your name on it, dog.
This can't be good.
Oh, damn, I'm trying, brother.
Hey, what you give me?
On the other side.
What you give me?
I didn't get you. This shit fucking showed up, bro.
What you give me?
I didn't get you, dog.
Recording.
Huh? Bro,
Recording, dog.
bro, it just showed up, dude.
Damn.
What's that over here?
Hey, what is it? What is it?
It's a bomb. Damn, dog.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Open it no more.
That's bad juju, bro.
No, it's not. What the? Hey, I ain't playing this shit.
Bro, come on, dude.
It's taking a while.
Bro, it's bro.
Oh, man.
It's bro. I don't even. Bro, it's there. It's there, bro.
Yeah, no,
It's there, bro.
It's another fucking box.
It's there, dude. Trust me, bro.
Another fucking box. There.
That's it. After this box, that's the one, bro. Trust me.
Dead ass. Bro, there's another box in there.
I know, but that's the one.
Can't afford another box.
They expensive, bro.
Can't afford another box.
One more, bro. This one.
It's gonna be a t-shirt or something like that.
There's another one, bro. This is the last one, dude. I swear to you.
Whatever it is, it would be, bro. Oh man!
Oh damn, bro, comedy.
Oh shit!
Yeah, dog.
Yeah. Good luck. Good luck.
Yeah, dog. You know what I'm saying? I just figured, bro, you do a lot for me, dog. And honestly, like, I would want to like do more for you. And, you know, you're a good homie and shit. You always help me out with my car and shit. So I just want to do something a little nice, bro. Show you my little bit of appreciation. They gave me a hell of a good laugh. Yeah, man. So look, man, they were like supposed to print like a different photo, bro, but I didn't pay for one of these because they didn't do that.
For what?
It was, I mean, they're the same, it's the same
Photo?
It's the same photo, just different canvas.
Oh, not this game.
Fool, I've been trying to get you this shit for like a week already.
For us?
Hey man, what are you doing? Oh, I'm getting a tattoo. Alright then. Hey man, what are you doing? I'm going to the cafe. At 10 o'clock at night? It's a special cafe. Alright. He knows. He knows. Alright, y'all. So aside from giving Timmy his gift and surprising him, it's gonna be like a tiny bit of an install with these LED door lights. They're supposed to like show the INFINITI logo on the ground. So luckily it's already nighttime so we can see, so I'm gonna try and go ahead and install these real quick. It shouldn't take that long. It better not take that long, but who knows. So let's go ahead and see how they look. Alright y'all, so I got these off Amazon. Come in this little box and packaging, but pretty simple. That's where the plug is, right here, and then let me show you guys. Alright, so not sure if you guys can see, but this is what we're gonna be unplugging. This is what we're replacing. Not too sure if we're gonna need to reuse that, probably. So let me go ahead and remove those and we'll put this one on and see how it looks. Alright, so we got it in and look at that. Dude, that is so sick. Super easy. Definitely, we didn't need to take out these clips. So literally it's just plug and play, you guys. Super dope. Also like the white lighting rather than this ugly yellow orange lighting. So if you guys want to do that, I'll leave the description down below on where you can get that on Amazon. Super cheap. It was like, I don't know, $12, $13. It's a nice little add on to the car. Let's do the other side. All right, now we got them on both ends. Super dope. Let me know if you guys like that little tiny mod right there. I think it's super cool. Adds a little finesse when you open the car. When you want to know what else I got off Amazon, super cool. The key was kind of like, you know, it's 13 years old, benching a bunch of pockets and hands and stuff like that. So I ended up getting this dope little INFINITI key case. You know, carbon fiber, fake carbon fiber, obviously, but super dope. Comes with, you know, this to kind of cover it all, because all of these on the original key fob was all like deteriorating and kind of smudged and messed up. So it's pretty cool. I think it was like $7-8. Put that in the description too. So yeah, hope you guys like these little add-ons. Yes. Okay, can you quickly explain the difference between these paint cans and like regular paint cans, bro? Because I don't think people will understand, because not even I understand.
It just pretty much mix paint, like real paint, car paint, into a can. They force it in, so
It makes it a lot easier when trying to paint certain things. Now, I'm not gonna let you guys know what I'm gonna use this for yet.
and it's paint match to whatever color you want it to do.
Oh, clean.
Yeah, so you want it that color, they can put it the same, you know, whatever color. But you know, you go to the store, you can only get certain colors.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so you want pearls or whatever, they can do 2 pearls.
For his brake calipers, what color did you end up going?
Lamborghini yellow.
Yeah, Lamborghini yellow for his brake calipers on the GS. So like, this is super dope. I didn't even know you could do this, so appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir. And this one has clear coat in it, so.
Ooh.
So you don't got to do clear.
That's clean. Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Hey, you just right? You ready?
Well, we gotta head back to the house because I got work in the morning, so I'll meet you guys at the house. Alright, y'all, so we made it back to the house, and I gotta say, today was super successful. I'm really glad that the surprise gift for Timmy / like joke went really well. We all had a pretty good laugh, and he liked his gift, so it worked out. Like I said, you know, in the beginning of the video, I just wanted to do something nice for Timmy. I've known him for a really long time now, and he's always been supportive of me, and he's just been an all-around really good friend. And I think that, you know, every now and then it's good to show that appreciation to the people who are in your corner. Next, I gave Timmy a list for some of the stuff that, you know, we need a maintenance for the car. So he's gonna kind of help me out and maybe look up some stuff and send it my way to see what we should tackle first. So be on the lookout for that. I know I didn't get too much of the content for the R8, but it looks freaking amazing. And obviously I've seen the other one they have, but this one looks so much more better. I'm pretty sure it's the red. You know, red is one of my favorite colors. So congrats, Vic, on the other shop car. Maybe later on we'll be able to take a ride in it. I'm going to close out the video here, you guys. It's been a long day. I gotta get up pretty early in the morning, so if this is you guys' first time to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. It's helping me out a lot, you guys. We're almost at 500 subscribers. Cannot wait till we get there. Halfway to 1,000. You guys are freaking awesome. To all the people who have been barely figuring me out, technically you guys are going to become the OG. So like I said, if you guys like what you see, please like and subscribe. My name is Desert Simmons. This is the channel, you guys. Don't forget, it's all about longevity. Make sure you live long and prosper, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.